How to delete videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete videos on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to delete videos on YouTube, you can use the YouTube Studio application. If you're using from mobile, if you're using from browser, you can go to studio.youtube.com. then you can go ahead and then open up the YouTube Studio application. Then simply go to the content tab after you select your respective accounts here. Then you can select a certain video that maybe you would like to delete for some reason. Then you can tap the edit button from the very top of the screen here, and once you tap on the edit option there, you can simply scroll down to the more options, and once you tap on more options, you can scroll down again and just tap on the delete from YouTube option in order to delete it. That's all it takes to delete videos on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.